Is your Land Rover Discovery Sport alarm going off randomly? It's a common issue, often linked to the interior motion sensor or bonnet sensor. Let's address the common causes, like heat changes triggering the motion sensor or a faulty bonnet switch. First, try a manual reset. Unlock and lock the car 5 times within 10 seconds using the key fob. If that doesn't work, check the bonnet for any loose wires or dirt around the sensor. A simple cleaning might solve the problem. Note that software updates released since 2023 address these issues. If your car is a 2020 plus model, ensure you have the latest version installed. Voltage fluctuations or a low battery can also cause false alarms. Ensure your battery is in good condition. If equipped, use the Land Rover In Control app to check for sensor calibration options. For persistent issues, professional diagnostics is recommended. A dealer can identify specific fault codes. A dealer can perform a body control module BCM reflash, which often resolves software-related issues. To prevent future problems, keep your car clean, especially around sensor areas, and schedule regular maintenance checks. Note that recent models leverage AI to reduce false positives.